How to screenshot on Instagram without them knowing on iPhone. First of all, go ahead and open up the Instagram application on your phone. You are now in the Instagram homepage. Here, you can view posts from friends and pages that you follow. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the messages icon. You can view all your Instagram messages over here. Tap on Open Any Message. As you can see, they have sent you a View Once photo. Now, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. Here, tap the Wi-Fi icon to turn it off. Then, turn on the airplane mode. Go back and tap on View Photo, then press the volume up and power button to take a screenshot. Now, just swipe down from the top right and you can turn on Wi-Fi and turn off airplane mode. After that, you'll notice that the person was not notified. Keep in mind that this may change with further updates and they may still get notified. Following these steps, you can easily screenshot on Instagram without them knowing on iPhone.